magic drawings! Hi, little artists! Are you ready for a magical sparkle adventure? Today, we're drawing 3 super fun fruits, and each one has a special secret. Let's start with our rainbow pineapple. Did you know? Pineapples don't actually grow on trees. They grow on a little plant close to the ground, like a big spiky flower. And guess what? A pineapple plant makes only 1 pineapple a year. That's why our pineapple is extra special. Wow, look at those bright stripes! Now sprinkle the glitter and watch it sparkle like tiny stars! Now let it float to the top left corner. Beautiful! Now it's strawberry time! Let's draw the heart shape, add the leafy top, and color it a juicy red. Fun fact, strawberries are the only fruit with their seeds on the outside. Yes, those tiny dots are all seeds. And strawberries aren't really berries, but bananas are. Isn't that funny? Here comes the glitter. Wow, look at it sparkle. Our sparkly strawberry gently moves to the bottom left corner. And now let's draw our bright yellow banana. Smooth curve, color it sunny yellow, and sprinkle the glitter everywhere. Fun fact, bananas are naturally radioactive. But don't worry, it's super tiny and safe. And did you know bananas make you happy? They contain something that helps your brain feel good, like a tiny happiness snack. You did it! 3 magical sparkling fruits! The rainbow pineapple, the shiny strawberry, and the happy banana. Amazing job, little artist! Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can draw more magical things together. See you next time!